Let's use Smart Chips in Google Docs. They're awesome. So I'm going to go up to Insert, go down to Smart Chips. Now notice we got quite a few of them in here, but I'm going to start with people. The first person that's going to pull up, of course, is me, Innovative Learning. So I can start searching for anybody else in the district that I want, but I'm going to leave it as Innovative Learning. Now when I hover, whoa, look at that. When you hover over, it's going to give you all the contact information in my Google Doc. That's awesome. Let me push return a couple times and let's try a file. So I'm going to go ahead and click on file, and that's going to search my Google Drive. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of information here. Start typing out ITS, and look, there's a copy of my 6th grade Don't Feed the Fish. When I hover over it, it's going to be a PDF document. Then that's an exact link to that PDF document. Awesome. I can do calendar events. I can do places. Hey, let's do a place. Let's look up central office. So I'm going to go ahead and start typing in here. Islet Independent School District right here. Type that in and find the one on the list. This is it here. And it's going to actually give me a link to the Google map. Oh my gosh, so I know exactly where it's located. I can put this in a document and it's going to take them right to the site. Amazing. Let's see what vote looks like. Oh, I can use emojis to vote. This is pretty cool, but I want to create a custom voting chip. So find the emoji that I like. Okay, I like this one. And the next one, I'm going to find another one, and I have like a medium face and a sad face and a happy face. All right, so now everybody gets to vote one time for each one if they want to. That's pretty cool, and then that can help me to determine whether they like something or they don't like something. This is awesome. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Google.